Hello, so today I'll be covering the cat goat safe iceberg, which I made myself. I'll be starting with tier 1, then going down to the more and more obscure things. So I'll be starting this iceberg off with Minecraft. This one's pretty obvious. It's all the stuff I did in Minecraft, like my Minecraft worlds. I've shown the survival, the 100 days, all of that. The second thing I'll be mentioning today is the episode series. So the episode series is a list of animations I made with no volume. And it started off with just episodes with barely any connections between them. But then I added more and more lore to it. And there's some holes in the lore. Cats. This is mentioning the cats I've talked about on my YouTube channel. Pebbles and Patchy. Pebbles was the first one I mentioned, and he was in my joke religion video. No picture, but he's a tabby. Then I got Patchy because he died, and Patchy is the cat I have right now. First video. This is talking about the first video on my YouTube channel. 500 jumps on my trampoline. This is actually my first video on my YouTube channel. I had a video before and it got privated. So, yeah. This one is pretty obvious. It's just YouTube shorts I uploaded. Boom stuff is referring to country booms, number booms, and rubber band booms. Stuff I liked. Subscriber specials. This is talking about when I hit like 10, 20, 30, etc. subscribers and making videos about it. And if you go to my About tab on my YouTube channel, you can see when I hit those subscriber milestones. Other YouTube channels. This is talking about my other YouTube channels that I own. Those are Safe Goat Cat and Dog Sheep Danger. But I've practically stopped uploading on Dog Sheep Danger. And on Safe Goat Cat, it's only behind the scene content. Joke videos. These ones are pretty obvious. It's just something funny. And I've made quite a few of them. This is talking about me playing other games. Pretty obvious. Cat Goat. That was the original name of my channel. The reason why I changed it was because no one could find the channel. This is talking about the mapping videos I made. And I sort of stopped doing them because I sort of didn't want to make them anymore. My channel logo. This is talk about why that is my channel logo. It's because I sort of founded my own country called the Kingdom of Safe. And it got inspired by that flag. And as it had changed the flag, I changed my channel logo to adjust with it. Until it practically got dissolved. Boom Madness. So this is going to be a bit explained. Boom Madness was the proposed name for my YouTube channel, which I didn't use. I was the one who came up with the idea. The reason why I was going to name my channel that was because of the number booms. And at the time I actually loved them. So, yeah, that's the name. Editing and animating. This is saying what I use to edit and animate. What I use to edit is CapCut, and what I use for animating is animation. Live streaming. I should have said attempted live streaming, because every time I did one, YouTube would think I'm underage, which is not true. So that's it about the catgut teeth iceberg, and hope you like and subscribe and watch my other videos. So bye!